Jackson, folks, Action Jackson. I'm sorry, I'm not really in a good mood today. I hurt my leg. Let me tell you what happened. Probably about 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning, I had to go pee really bad. So I got up and I tripped over Karen's bra. It was on the floor. I knew it was a booby trap. That's all I could figure out. It was a booby trap. Oh my God. Anyhow, my shout outs today. I was watching this video today, how to make an orange creamsicle, from Dave at Booze on the Rocks. Dave, I love orange creamsicles. It might be one of my future cocktails, but I can't do it now because you did it. But I'm going to make it for me. And Maui Karen, of course. That's another shout out. 2 shout outs I gave. One for Maui Karen and one for Dave at Booze on the Rocks. Okay, so today, what are we going to do today, Karen Ann?
Who knows?
Who knows? What are we going to do today? Today is another day, of course, because yesterday was another day and tomorrow's going to be another day. So we got a lot of days going on here. So today I'm going to make a naked lady cocktail because I love naked ladies. I like looking at them. I like viewing them. I like naked lady cocktails. You thought I was meaning the real naked lady, don't you? If I looked at any other naked ladies, Maui Karen Ann would probably cut me off. So there's no naked ladies around here, folks. Okay, here we go. I got a ½ ounce of lemon juice, ½ ounce of Apricot Brandy, too much Apricot Brandy. I think I put 1 ounce in there. Because I put 1 ounce, I better do 3 ounces of rum. Okay?
1,
That's 1.
2,
2.
3.
3 ounces of rum. 3 ounces of rum. 3 ounces. And a splash of Grenadine. Naked lady. I have a hard time pronouncing naked ladies. Naked ladies. And I'm shaking because I can. And here we go, folks. It's another naked lady cocktail. And of course, you better put some Prosecco on the top. Adding the bubbly, and there you go. Now that's a naked lady cocktail. Now what good is a naked lady without some garnish? And I got a lemon candy, and I have a giraffe. Whoop, this giraffe has bad legs. Is that the perfect naked lady? It is. Good. Anyhow, catch you guys soon. I'm going to put another short out, so watch my shorts too. Don't get in my shorts. Watch my shorts, okay? Thank you for coming. God bless you all. Don't forget, get a vaccine. Don't fly Delta. Say hello to your mama. Cocktail Tony, over and out.